Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. I miss you guys. Anyways, today is just a eyeliner video, so stay tuned. Anyways, I'm gonna be showing you how to draw a wing liner perfectly for beginners, and it's super easy. All you need is just a regular eyeliner with a pointed tip. Just make sure the tip is pointed so that your liner can be angled and sharp. The first thing that you would do is just draw a faint line from the place where your eye closes. Make sure that you don't hold on to the edge of where you draw the line. If not, it's going to be bulky and not sharp, and nah, it will not be great. So yeah, just draw a faint line from the place where your eye closes, or from the edge of your top eyelid, and yeah, as long as you want it. Then from like 3/4 of that line, draw another line connecting the first line you draw to the one on your lid, and just draw the line all over your lid. You can make it as fat or as thin as you want. Now you can see that there is a gap between the first line and the second line. So lightly just kind of join them, but keep in mind that the sharp part needs to be sharp. So yeah, then like I said, just draw the lines all over your lid and just into your inner corner tear ducts, and just make sure everything is straight. This is like a thin liner, so in case you have an eyeshadow going on, your eyeshadow will still show up and your eyeliner will not be taking up all the space. So yeah, so this is basically it. Nothing much. Like, I'm done. It's been how many minutes and I'm done. It's very easy. Drawing eyeliner is not a one day thing. One thing I want to say is that you should keep practicing and you would definitely get it because it's not hard. Yeah, I hope that you really enjoyed it. Um, yeah, my face is not the best right now. I have all of these spots and acnes and things that I don't even want to talk about, but yeah, they're all gone now, so it doesn't really matter. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please, please, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.